In this video, let's differentiate and look at the ABC class IPs, because I can see people who come to buy PBN hosting at seekahost are talking about, should I get A class, B class or C class? What should I get? I mean, my advice is like, get multiple IP hosting where you get actually the different IP class categories. Most people are in general use C class IPs. That's where in the world you have a lot of C class IPs more than A or B. So that's the most of the class IP. So I've linked an article below which goes into detail about what's difference and how you can use multiple IP hosting and not overcomplicate about should I use A or B. However, if you really want the best of the class IPs, which is, as I said, A class IPs are limited in the world. We have A class IPs which you can get if you are thinking about building a premium blog, premium SEO blog, money sites, several money sites, say 10 money sites, and you want the IP addresses which is much more premium. So it's also explaining the article into detail so you can see what are the IP address ranges and the number differentiation for A class IP, and why if you want to consider this is like price difference more than multiple IP, the C class IP address. But if you decide to get that, that's also available at seekahost, and you can check the link below on seekahost app for A class IP hosting. If not, how would like you can just Google A class IP hosting, B class IP hosting, C class IP hosting, multiple IP hosting, all on Google. Number one ranking is seekahost app, as well as my blog fernando is ranking, and SEO skills, so it's all ranking on the top, so you can read through those and get to understand. I personally have written about the explanation about each of the class IPs and what it is about and what's good for who and what you should get started. And if you're looking to build a 100 site blog network, or if you're looking to build some 10 sites, which is WordPress, much more premium site, what should you get? So all these things are mentioned on these pages as well. And as well, you can just like buy the packages, try on the free trials on seekahost app. 7 days free trial is there. So if you're not sure, you want to get a castle for IP, if you're really new to seekahost, you can jumpstart with a free trial, which is a 7-day free trial. And then once you like it, you're definitely going to like it. No questions asked. You can use it. If you have any questions, you can get one of our web consultants, book for a call to explain, open a ticket. Our team will be supporting to you. And if you want to even personally talk to me, if you're a person who's planning to move from another PBN hosting provider, like most of the customers we are getting, they've been using other PBN hosting providers and not as happy, and the user experience and the customer care, and the seekahost app, you get the premium solution and the customer care is there, ticket service, all those things 24/7 is there. So if you want that, you can request to have a call with me. If you're planning to migrate your sites, you want to know more details, run a demo about seeing live how to get one of your domains hosted by having a free trial, all those things, you can personally have a call with me at seekahost. So those are the things with seekahost app. Join if you're new to seekahost app. Play around with it. You can get the best prices for domain names, .com domain names, pretty much like 50% off for the first time user. .in domains, the world's cheapest price for .in domains, and many other domain TLDs are there. So all these things are there, not just the multiple IP ABC class IPs. You can get multiple IP hosting, A class IP hosting, and as well as WordPress hosting, email hosting, and the domain names. All those things are there. So check out the seekahost app. If you have any questions, drop the comments below as well. But reach out to me. I'm always on email, fernando@seekahost.com, where you can reach out to me, request a call anytime, in the weekend, on the Sunday, anytime, pretty much I'm there. You shoot an email, try to get a call with me, and I will be there to support you and get hosted and go online with seekahost.